Hi, I'm Nikita, your student counselor from Vibedu Study Abroad. In today's video, let's discuss about the WES evaluation, which is most important for the students, those who are applying for the universities in US and Canada. When you want to apply for a course or a job in Canada or USA, the institute or organization will be asking for a credit evaluation, where you'll be using this WES evaluation. It is one of the most largest and oldest evaluation service. This WES evaluation they'll be making easier and clear for the universities in order to convert your GPA into their 4-scale grade. So how to apply for this WES evaluation? Step 1, you have to apply online and you'll be getting a reference number. Step 2, you have to collect all your documents and you have to submit it to the WES evaluation center. And you have to make the payment, where the document should be an official transcript and it should be sealed and signed in an envelope cover. Step 3, the WES evaluation center, they will be evaluating your mark sheets and they will be sending it to the universities once after completing the evaluation. And the documents which are required in order to this evaluation is, like if you are applying for your master's program, then you have to submit all your bachelor degree transcripts. If your documents, if it is not an official one, like if you are not giving it in a sealed and signed envelope cover, then the WES evaluation staff will be rejecting the transcripts. Types of WES evaluation. WES will be providing 3 different sorts of evaluation, that is course by course evaluation, document by document evaluation, CPA evaluation. And most of the university, for a graduate admission, they will be requiring for a course by course evaluation, and it will be costing around $170, and it will be taking around 7 business days in order to process your WES evaluation. I have shared a few information regarding this WES evaluation, and if you want to know more details regarding this, please do contact us. If you are looking to study in USA or Canada, please do contact us. We'll be helping with the application process till your visa process. And thanks for watching this video. Bye.